Welcome back to another episode of Pro V Am. Today we have a past teammate of mine. I bowled college with him. His name is, I call him Rayun. All right, now what happens in this challenge is Rayun does not have equipment with him for reasons that I will not go into. He's going to use house shoes, one house shoe, one Croc. He's gonna use my equipment. Our fits are pretty close to the same. My thumb, my bowling balls, a house shoe. If he beats me, I'm gonna give him every bowling ball that I brought with me today to take home. What happens if I win? What do I get if I win?
Boba.
Boba, I like Boba. All right, he's buying me Boba if I win. He has the option to use any bowling balls that are in my bag, just like I'm gonna use. We're gonna bowl a one-game match, and whoever comes out on top scratch is gonna be the winner. All right.
Look, sir.
You wanna go first or second?
I'll go first.
All right, so I got a Zen, a Duo, and an IQ Tour Ruby. He's pretty good. He's also my doubles partner for Open Championships.
Great start.
Oh, there's the pearl. This doesn't look like a pearl ball. Oh, 1 for 1, baby. I see your cut 10 and call you a cut 10. Oh, that's 3 cut 10s in a row.
It's a duo.
Just for some context, Rayun averaged 208 his last, your second to last year.
Second to last.
The last time our team was good. You, Mikey, and myself, we combined for like 655 average-wise in college. That's pretty good. I need to get me a Duo. Oh. I'm about to lose all my bowling balls. Oh!
Great spare.
I get out of that thumb so much more than the other one. I'm feeling it, man. This is the 3rd video of the day. My thumb ain't feeling good. Probably stop peeling away the layers. Oh, inside out. So you're saying there's a chance?
Come on.
It ain't over till the fat lady sings. I don't leave this one as much, but I miss it every time. I feel like I should throw it straight at this, but I hook it because I feel like I'm creating that angle, but somehow I always hit the 2-pin in the face and it goes straight back. Oh! Should have threw it straight. Should have threw it straight.
That's why you throw it straight.
Here we go. What's the adjustment off of a half 10? Behind it, throw it slower, get around it more.
Nope.
Oh, should have moved 2. Oh, such a pretty ball.
That is.
3-pin match through 3. Oh, more yam. Yam. Adjustments, baby. Making them adjustments. Should I make an adjustment? I don't really want to rip up the lanes for our next video. I'm gonna move right.
Wow.
Because why not?
Come on,
Spares,
Zen.
baby. Spares. Wheel. Oh no.
Darn it.
Come on, Ryan, you're making this too easy. All right. There was too much spin for that biscuit. That needs help.
Good shot.
There you go. It wasn't great. That's bowling, man. I'm pretty sure he threw his better than mine.
Come on, Zen. Don't fail me now.
Bang.
All right.
Good shot.
All right. Thank you.
You can change balls at any point. Again? It wasn't great, but they don't feel very easy. Not the easiest house shot. Oh, we're pretty much in the same boat now. Let's see if I can pick it up. Ooh. Losing all the count. Ball change. That was so nice.
Nice spare.
All right. I was probably too far left, so I'd square up a little bit. If I'm bowling competition and that's the line I'm playing the whole time, I'd probably just keep going left, throw it slower, give it the... That was a big shot right here. Oh!
All right, your turn.
Uh-oh. He's got this. He's got this, right? He's got this.
Nope.
Hey, just keep in mind, he doesn't have his own equipment. Every time that thumb just, man, if you got that spare, this would be so close. Wheel.
Nope. It's a big one.
That's a big one. What do I do? Do I move right? I think I'm creating too much angle. It gets behind the head pin, then too much entry angle. Gotta move to the right. Like right.
Emotional damage.
Oh no.
Ooh, nice spare.
Almost rolled my ankle on that shot.
Careful.
I can still play golf later, right? It's out of my hands now.
Nope.
Oh. I'm gonna lose all my bowling balls. We've never had a tie. I hope we tie. That's got a hook, I think. Never mind. He's just gonna straight up beat me. On the adjustment of all things, I could bowl 198, he could bowl 199. I was like, we're gonna play to the right. I was concerned with it overhooking, and I bucketed. This is a big shot, it's huge. Should I go drop a bowling ball on his approach?
Dude.
Oh!
Nope. Oh, do I get those Nikes in there
I get
too?
the shoes, right?
I get the Nikes too?
You got one more ball. Yeah, he's gotta keep the winning ball. Unbelievable, man. This guy whips the spare. Jeez, you want the shoes too? What's he need a crock for? He just won 3 bowling balls and my dunks.